What it do, what it do, what it do, y'all? Check it out, guys. Got this full restoration, jams, overall, complete, base coat, clear coat. You know what I'm saying? That's how we go do it today. Base coat, clear it. It's going to blue. That kind of blue right there. I already did all the jams. You know what I'm saying? Took the door, the windows off, the doors off, everything. Hood out. I already did everything. Now I just got to do this. You know how it goes down. It's your boy, TPhixX, back in the mix. Let's go, guys. My YouTube family, what's cracking? Make sure you subscribe. Don't like. You know what I'm saying? Not putting a gun to your head. Just hit the subscribe button one time. Alright? Count them likes. Drop a comment. I did all the body work myself. Smooth. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do it, baby. Bodyman turned painter, painter turned bodyman, all around, jack of all trades, but it ain't none. Alright, y'all, about to get busy. I'll let you know how it goes down after I'm done. You know how we do it. This ain't no Mako. Alright, y'all, have a blessed day. Stay up, rise to the occasion. You know what I'm saying? Smash them likes, drop a comment, subscribe. It's your boy TPhixX coming through in the mix, dropping it like it's hot, and this is the spot. Alright, y'all, love you guys. Bless up. One love. Already. Smoke one for your boy.